Last year, my boyfriend and I took a trip to New Orleans and it was absolutely lovely. We walked along the waterfront, went to the outlets, explored New Orleans, and we went to the aquarium. But with the few days left of our trip, we decided that we were going to take a little day trip to the Audubon Zoo. So, let's get on with the vlog. So at the zoo, there's this part where you can walk along the little path and you can see all amazing types of birds walking around freely, flying over your head, just ignoring you. You can tell that they're used to people roaming around and just kind of looking at them. So it's not like they're gonna go after you or anything like that. But I thought that was just so cool because I have never been to a zoo or to any part where you can just walk around freely and just have the birds kind of walk along beside you, walk in front of you, fly above you, in no cages, with no strings, no anything, just completely free, doing what they do best, and it was absolutely amazing. I thought that was pretty cool for this zoo to have a little section like that, and I wish more places would do that a lot more with their animals. Another cool section from the zoo was this little area that kind of told you about the people on the bayou or the swamps, the types of boats and crafts that they use to kind of navigate the waters, how they lived, the types of houses that they built on the water. And it was just so cool just learning more about that type of setting and about the Cajun people and their own little dialects and whatnot. And I'm just a sucker for learning anything of that type, so I highly recommend checking out that section if you ever are in the area and at the zoo. We were very lucky on this long tour to see some live American alligators. Normally around that time of year, they're going into hibernation, so the tour guide did make it clear to us that it wasn't a guarantee that we would see any alligators, but we saw quite a few that day. That is it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, click the subscribe button, do all the things. Don't forget to follow me on social media. I am on Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, All that you could find in the links down below or in the pop-out cards of this vlog. Thank you, and stay tuned for more vlogs, tips, and tricks.